Hello everyone, this is Rehan and I am from Lisbon. Today in this video, I am going to show you how you can create an amazing website using free tools like Wordpress and like the free page builder called Elementor and free plugins and free images and many more things. Let me show you what we are going to cover in this tutorial. As you can see on the screen, we have an amazing premium website which I have made it from scratch. So we are going to create an amazing website with logo at the left hand side and menu at the right hand side. I can see these are the menu, home, about, men's belt, men's jacket, women's jacket and the blog. So we are going to cover all these pages. I can click on this. Then we have a beautiful header where we have given our company name, and below that people can get in contact. Then we have pages, images, more information, description, who we are, what we do, and the testimonials, and below that we have footer. And after that we are going to cover all pages, our story. We can add videos to the about us section and the client section we work for, and also we will see how to customize all these pages. We will optimize our website to all devices like desktop, tablet and the mobile, because 70 to 90% our business comes from the mobile. And further we will create a beautiful header for called men's belt, and we will design all these products, how to put the description about the product and how to put prices and many more images, and we will create all these pages from scratch. Also we will cover the motion effect, side widgets, slider, to add buttons, and at last we will see the blog, how we can create blog page to our WordPress website. We will see how to design all pages from scratch, how to use, as we all know that Elementor is the best free page builder. With the help of Elementor we can design an amazing premium website. We will see everything step by step. We will be using all these sections: heading, images, text editor, divider, spacer, gallery and many more elements. Almost all elements we will be using in this video. So after watching this complete video, I can assure you that you will become a pro web designer and you can start making website for the living, and everything is very easy. It's just a job of drag and drop. So guys, to create a beautiful like this, you don't need to have any coding knowledge like HTML, CSS, Java and all that. You just need only knowledge. You just need to have how to drag mouse, because all the resources are going to be free. One thing I want to clear you that to make a premium website like this we need two basic things. The first one is domain. The domain is nothing but it's your company name, like google.com, youtube.com, facebook.com. These all are domain name. Second thing, we need hosting. Hosting is a place, it's just like a big computer which run by 24/7. It's very fast, and all the images and these words, WordPress, these all images, text and everything what you see in this, everything is stored in a file in a computer. Everything is stored in a computer. All these background images, all these things, whatever you design in the website, all things are stored in a computer, and that computer is run 24/7. So once you register, your company will be live and people can see your website and they can get in contact with you and you can generate the business. So before making the website, below the description of the video I have given a link. Just click on that link and start making website. If you like what you see so far, don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you will not miss the next upcoming video which is going to come very soon. So having said that, let's get started. Below video of this description section you will find this link. You need to click on this, and once you click on this you will be redirected to this page. Then click on get started. If you're new, you're making your first website, you can go for this. Otherwise you can go for this. Click on buy now. In this page You guys, if you're already having your domain, you can click on this and you can put your domain. And if you are new, if you are going to start your new business or new domain, you need to click on this, and here you need to type your company name. So we are going to register it. You can type and you can click on search. It says it's available. Now go down. Billing cycle. Yeah, it's amazing. You are getting 60.50% off. You can select the billing cycle you want to try for 1 month or 3 months or 6 months. It depends on you. You can choose for trial basis for 1 month, and here you need to put your username, then security pin like 1234. It should be in 4 digit, and I can write my username LUIS Luis MBA, and I can enter my email ID. I can confirm email ID. I can put my first name. My first name is Luis. My second name is MBA. So I'm not writing. You need to type your own name. It's just for tutorial. Company name if you have. If you don't have, not an issue. It's optional. And phone number, and address, the country, state, zip code, and finally you need to decide the payment type. Are you going to pay by credit card or debit card, or you can pay by PayPal as well. You can pay by credit card. Name on the card, credit card number, CVV code, which is the back side of your credit card or debit card, then expiry date on the front side of your debit card or credit card. This thing is not necessary. Then you need to tick on this. You can untick this because we are new, we don't need all these things. Once we generate the business, then in future we require all those things that we'll tell you later on. And finally, this is your money back guarantee option also is there. If you don't like the services, you can quit it, and your total amount is for this first month. Okay, so guys, once you tick on this, you need to click on this, and once you make the payment, you will be getting a mail, and where you will be getting, in that mail you will be getting very important information, that is your username and your password for control panel. Okay, so this is your control panel. You need to click on this, and once you click on this, you need to enter your login name and password, which is on your mail, and then click on login. And once you click on login, you need to come down and you need to search for WordPress. This is our WordPress. We are going to make our website in WordPress, which is very quite easy. You don't need to have any prior knowledge. You don't need to have any coding knowledge. This is going to help you really awesome. Then click on install. Then here you need to choose your domain. Make sure cancel this one, it should be empty. In directory it should be empty, and this is your domain. You need to choose protocol. You can choose HTTPS, okay, because this is secure. Okay, you can see this lock, so you can choose HTTPS or you can choose HTTP, and here you need to enter your domain name. Okay, then my blog, your site name, you can enter your site name, and site description, tell something about your site. My site is about interior. My site name is Luis. and my site description is e-commerce tutorial. This is tutorial. You can enter your own. Then you need to enter your admin, and you need to remember it because later on we are going to use this username and password. So I'm putting, you can put your own username. I'm putting password. Here you need to enter your mail ID. So whatever mails will be there, you will be getting on that mail ID. Then just click on install. Once you click on, install, you will get, after installation, your WordPress will be installed and you will be getting a mail. You will be getting a mail from installer, and you will be getting these two things, your URL and your admin. So you need to click on this WordPress admin. Once you click on install button, you will be getting a mail, what mail ID you have entered from WordPress, and here you need to enter your mail ID and password, then log in. Let me close all this because I like to work in a clean environment. So let me clean all these things. Okay. So once you log in to the dashboard of WordPress, so this is your WordPress dashboard from where we are going to control our website and we are going to design our website. Okay. Now let me tell you one thing, very important thing. When you click, this is your site name, and when you hover on this, you will find this. So you need to click on right side and open in new tab. Okay. So this is your dashboard, this is your back end, and this is your front end. Here nothing is there, it's very plain. So we are going to design our site. You don't need to be worried because it is going to be very easy. It's very simple. It's just a job of drag and drop. I don't need this, I can cancel this. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to setting. In the setting, we need to go to Permalinks. Then in the Permalinks, we need to click on post, then save changes, then go to appearance and click on theme, click on add new, then search for Astra. This is Astra theme. I've already installed. Then after installation, you need to click on install, then you need to click on activate. Okay. These are the images which I have collected from the internet. So these things are already in my computer, so you don't need to be worried. Then we can add new images. Then we have pages. So this we call pages. In pages we can add as many as pages we want to our website. All pages we can see and we can view from here, and here we can view add new pages. Then we have comment section. So whenever any visitors they are coming to our website, we can allow them to comment on blog post or anything whichever they want to comment. Then we have, this is one of the best page builder, Elementor. So I've already installed it, but I will tell you later on about this. We will see later on. Then we can, this we call template. We can import the template and we can save the template. In the appearance section, we will see themes. We have ready-made themes. Theme is basically these are designed by expert engineers, software engineer. They are already designed, and we can also design themes. Basically it gives a look. Our website look can be changes. We can give a different look to our website with the help of themes. We can customize the theme, we can create the theme, we can add widget, and we can add menus. Then we have users, all users, add new users. You can view our profile. In the settings we have general, writing, reading, discussion, media, permalinks, privacy, collapse. That means we can collapse it. Now let me click on dashboard. So this area we will see step by step everything, and it is going to be very easy. Now let me see what is there over here. Here here it's written howdy Luis, my name. My real name is Rehan and this is my nickname. People call me Luis because my company name is Luis Bond. We can log out, we can log in from here. So when I click on this is profile, personal information, visual editor. Disable the visual editor when writing. We can click but we don't need. This is also not required. Admin color, this is for our reference. We can change the appearance and the look of the backend. This whole area is our backend. From here we are going to design our website with the help of all these things. Okay, so just I'm telling everything step by step so that you will come to know that what is there in this. Okay, so these are the color options like blue. Now we can see color have changed over here. Then we have coffee color, ocean, midnight, sunrise. This is just does not matter. Okay, I'll keep it. I like this default. If you like any other color you can keep it. These things we don't require. Toolbar, this we require. Name, this is very important. So I am the user of this website, so my username is Rehan. My first name is Luis, and make sure username cannot be changed. Okay, this we can change. First name is Luis, last name is Bond, and my nickname is Luis. Display name publicly as Luis. Click over this. So you can keep your display name what you like. Contact information, email is required over there, so you need to enter your email ID. So you have to enter your working email ID because any changes is there from the WordPress, so they are going to send you email or any update, any information if they want to provide you, they will send you on email. Here you can type your website. If this is my website, but if you have you can put, but you can leave it, not an issue, because you are going to design your own website. And you, after watching this video, I believe if you watch seriously complete video, you will become a pro web designer. You can start your own website and you can start your own business online, and you can sell, you can tell to the world that what you are doing and what you are going to sell, what services you are offering. You can tell to the whole world and they will get in contact with you and you can do the business. You can generate good amount of money. You don't need to work from 9 to 5, because if you are not an engineer, you can become a web designer and you can become an engineer. Profile pic does not matter. Account management. Under account management, if you want to generate new password you can generate, otherwise not required. Now click on update profile. Okay, so after this what I want to do, I want to take you, now I can click on dashboard. One thing I wanted to clear, this is when we hover over here we see this thing. Now right click on this and click open link a new tab. Now click on this. So this is our website and this is our front end and this is our back end. This dashboard is our website. Okay, so whenever we make any changes we can see immediately on this screen. Okay, so let me close right now over this. Now click on setting, then general. First one is site title. So my site title is, today I am going to design a website about another company. So here you have to write site title. It is very important, because whenever customer or visitors they go on Google and they search for a particular product or service, they don't type Luis Bond, because my company name is Luis Bond, so nobody knows who is Luis Bond. But what Luis Bond is offering, I'm offering leather jacket, leather belt and leather bag. So all the visitors, all the customers, they go on Google and they type leather jacket manufacturer or leather jacket, leather belt, leather bag, like this. So Google knows all these things. So this we call SEO, search engine optimization. So this is very important site title, because if you want to get customer then you have to be very careful while writing this thing. Okay, tagline, this is my tagline. You can decide about your tagline, because this is also very important. I'm just writing for the tutorial. You can write, but write something which relates to your business. Okay, learn how to make premium website for free. Let me correct this spelling. Site address, okay, email address is fine. Membership, anyone can register, not required. New user, default roles, subscriber, required. Date format, you can choose the date format. In Europe, English people they prefer this thing, so this is fine. I do not like this type of dating, but some other countries they prefer this type of dating. And here you can customize also. Time format, I would like to work 24 hours. So this is because my website is going to work 24/7 and 365 days, so I will click on this, and the week starts on Monday. You can choose whichever you want, because according to me, in my opinion, this is fine, Monday to Saturday or the whole week. Now click on save changes. Okay, so we have done with we have finished general setting. So under settings section we have finished general. Now we will see writing. So click on writing. In the writing settings, default post category, let it be like this. We don't require all these things, just keep as it is. Reading, blog post pages, let it be like this. Discussion, not so important. Media, permalinks, this is very important thing. First of all, we have to click on plain, then we need to click on post name, because this thing is, you can click custom text structure, then post. Okay, now click on save changes. So now we have finished privacy, permalinks, media, discussion, reading, writing, general, settings. Now let me take you, click on appearance, then click on, now let's see how we have entered all these detail. Now let's see how our website looks. So hover over this and right click, open link in new tab. So now our website is not looking very good. There is nothing, because we have not designed yet. So we are going to design it, and we are going to make premium website. It looks very ugly because it's not looking beautiful. So we are going to design it. Now we will go back to the backend. You can go there by clicking over here, our backend, and this is our front end. So these things are only visible to you because you are the owner of your website and you have logged in. Your visitors won't be able to see all these things. Okay, so over here we have the dashboard. Now what I want to do first, let me click on this dashboard. I can close this. So guys, first of all, I want to create some pages like home page, where I can say about my company, like about us, where I can say about myself, about my company, who we are and what we manufacture, what we provide services, then about our product, then our contact detail, then blog post or anything. So let's click pages. When you hover or on pages, you can click on add new. You can do it from here also, new, and here it is page. You can go back from here, you can click on dashboard. Close this thing right now because I don't require. I can close this. So guys, I want to create some pages. So what I'll do, I can go from here also. I can click on add new, or else I can go to this button and I can click on page. So I want to create home page. So let me type home. Make sure everything should be in capital. Okay, so after this you just need to click on publish. One more time, publish, and now home page is live. I can view it from here. This is the home page. Then I can go on this. I can click on page. Now what other pages I want to create? I want to create about us, about me, about my company. Okay, so let me type about. After this, click on publish. Next page, can go on this, can click on this. What are our services, what are our products? So I'm going to offer men's belt. You can type whatever services or whatever products you want to sell. Publish it again. Men's jacket, I want to sell men's jacket, so I'm going to create men's jacket page. Publish it again. Then I want to sell women's jacket. So what I'll do, I'll go there, I'll click on page and I will type women's jacket. I can click on publish, again publish, and this time I want to create blog page where I can write down blog. Publish. I can go on new. I can click on page. This time I want to create contact page. Click on publish. Okay, so after this, what I want to do, after this you need to click on menu. So go to appearance, click on menu. So these are the pages which we have created. Add menu items, menu structure. This is main menu. Click on create menu. You can give any name. I'm going to give menu name. Now create menu, view all, select all, add to menu, click on save menu. So these are the pages which we have just created. What I can do over here, I can drag up and down. See, these are the pages, but here it's custom link, so I don't need this because this is by default. I can remove it from here. So how many pages we have? we have first I want to show home page. See, we can adjust it. We can drag each item up and down and we can adjust it. So at the very last I want to keep contact. Just bring your mouse over here and click, hold it, drag it down like this. So this is my home page, where and then about, then blog. I can drag blog down. Then we have our products: men's belt, men's jacket, women's jacket, blog. Now you need to click on this, then save menu, refresh, bring your mouse over here, widget site, right click, open link in new tab, click on that. This is the menu. Okay, everything is fine. Home, about, men's belt, men's jacket, women's jacket, blog. So guys, we have successfully created our menus and pages. So I can close from this. I can click over here and I can see all these our pages, and this is our menu. Now click on customize. Here we have so many information by which we are going to design our header. This is called our header, this is breadcrumb, and this is our footer. So we will see everything step by step. Let me click on global, typography, click on base typography. I can go back from here. I can click on heading. I can go back from here. I can go back. Colors, base colors, text color. These are our text. These are our text. So text color 545454. I think this text color is fine, so I like this. If you want to change other color, you can change it from here. Now you can see the text color has been changed. If you are keeping white, it will not good look. You can change the color. Whichever color you like, you can choose, and you can light like this, or you can drag it up like this. You can highlight like this. But what I like, I like 54545454. Normally in premium kind of a website, this color is fine, so it's better for you also to keep as it is. Then theme color, you can choose theme color, blue. I like blue. Link color, select color, I like green. You can choose whichever you like. Link hover color, see this is link. When I hover over here, the color changes, right? So this is called link hover color. Theme color, link color, okay. I think this color is fine because the background is white. Click on publish. So we have seen text color. We can choose the color of text, we can choose the color of theme, and we can choose the link color. This is called link. When we click on link hover color, This is link hover color. So guys, we have seen text color and theme color. We can choose link color, we can choose link hover color. When we hover on this is hover color, link hover color. Now we have background color. Select color. You can choose red, this, blue. You can click here also, light green. There are so many colors. You can choose as per your requirements, but in my opinion, if you are creating an premium website, the background color should be white, because everything is, it depends on you, whichever you like, but in my opinion, what my experience and my knowledge, it should be white. We can click on this. We can put the image also. Select image. From here you can edit the image. You can crop the image. But it does not matter that much. Luggage bag, select. Just remove it. It does not matter. It does not matter that much. Just for a tutorial purpose, I am showing you everything step by step so that you will understand everything. Okay, now I can go back from here. Then we have container. This area is called container. So it's a bit. Now you see this portion is, this area is different and this area is different. See that the gap, you can see the gap over here and over here, but I do not want to do mess up, because what is by default, I think 1200 is correct, but this is perfect. Do not change all these things. Layout, let it be full with content, but there are other options also. Full with stretch. Now this part is stretched, this one also is stretched. Then we have boxed. This area is in a box. This is called boxed. Content boxed. This content are in the box. Okay, but in my opinion, always keep full with content, because this is fine, because this much margin and this much margin is, this is okay for a premium website. Page layout, there are so many options, but all the pages which we have created, it should be, according to me, it should be in a boxed. And blog post layout, you can choose content, full with content, all these things, but it should be in boxed. This archive layout, let it be in boxed. So publish, don't forget to publish what changes you are doing over here. You can go back. I'm not going to change, let it be like that. So what we have to do right now, now click on header, go to site identity, select logo. This is my logo. You can choose your own logo. You can design your logo in Logo Maker. Go on Google, type logomaker.com. On that you can design your company logo. Select. You can crop the image. I have already cropped. So this is my logo. Here you can click different logo, but I don't want this. Different logo for mobile device. No, I am fine with this logo. You can change the logo size. See the changes. All the changes you will see immediately, but I think this is perfect. Then we have site icon. Okay, select image, site icon is this part. Okay, here you see it's B. Right now you can change your icons that we call site icon. So my site icon is this. Select, you can optimize. This title is very important, so right click, copy. It's already there, you can put here. Select, copy image. Okay, now here it is site icon. From here you can change the image also, but I do not want to change. Display site title. No, I do not want to display this part because 1, 2, 3, I don't want to show 3 things. So what I'll do, I'll deselect inline logo and site title. I do not like both things together, so I do not want this. Site tagline, I do like. Okay, so display site tagline. I want to display site title, not this, this. Learn how to make premium website for free. So this is our logo with 2 divider, logo, then we have menu. I can click on this and I can see all these things together. Okay, what else? Let me click on publish. So we have finished this part, typography. Here we can change the typography, the size 15, 16, 18. Like this we can change, but according to me 15 is fine. Publish it again. I can go back. Now go back. So we have done site identity, primary header. Okay, this is one layout. This is and this logo is at the left, and then this logo the center, and then this menu at the right and logo at the left. I like this style. I don't like this style. I want menu at the right and logo at the left. Okay, header, click on header, primary header, width, it does not matter, bottom border size, it's fine, bottom border color, this is the primary header and its border. So if you want to change, you can change, but I like gray color. This is fine. Mobile header. What is this? That we will see later. We can optimize our website to tablet. This is fine. Everything is okay, and we can view on mobile also. This is also fine. I can go back from here and primary menu. I can click on this. I can disable the menu logo, but I want that. I don't want to. Last item in menu, search button. We can keep none. We can keep search option, button, we can keep text, but I like as it is. Container border, container animations. These are the animation in the container, like these are the container, these things. See, I like fade. Let me click. Okay. Container border. I can increase the size, but let it be same as it was. Border color. From here I can choose the border color. These colors we can choose, but I don't want. Okay. Then the divider color. If you want, you can change divider color, but I don't want to change. Menu breakpoint. You can increase. This is our menu. We can increase or decrease this length, but I like as it is. menu label. Here I can type in capital ME menu label. Click on publish. Refresh. So this is called menu label, but I don't want like that. You can check on tablet, you can check on mobile. If you like this, you can take, but according to me it does not matter. Some companies they prefer, but some companies they don't prefer. But if you want, you can keep it as it is. I don't like this style. Toggle button style. What is that? Let me check. Fill, outline. This is outline. Okay. Then minimal. I like this. Drop down target. That's okay. Click on publish. Back. So we have done with site identity, primary header, primary menu, transparent header, desktop mobile, bottom border size. No, we don't need this. Transparent on desktop. We can have different logo for transparent header. This is our header, but that's okay. I don't want. Bottom border size. Okay, let's check. So this is the size, bottom border size. Bottom border color. There is no much difference, so forget it. Colors and background. Just click on this. Select color. Let it be blue. Back. I can go back. So we have done with this header. Now we will see. We have seen menus. We will see home page setting. Blog page we will see later. Sidebar, blogger, single post, these we will see later on. Go back. Then we have sidebar. This we will see no sidebar, pages, right sidebar. These things we will see later on in this tutorial. Now what I want to do, I want to go on footer widgets. Okay, top border color, select color. This is the border color. That's fine, but if you want to change, you can change, but I like gray, little bit darker, little bit light, like this. Publish. Top border color. Okay, top border size we can increase, but let it be 3. Colors and background. Click on this, select color. I want green, blue, green. This color is fine for me, maybe a little bit lighter. Publish. Background image, click on select image, select. So you can see the background image. If you want, you can put, but I don't want, so I want to remove this. Okay. Content, title color, text color, title color I want white, and text color also I want white. And when I hover, link color I want blue. Footer bar. This area is called footer bar, and footer bar I want to remove this. Name of my company. Space. I don't want theme author, and this I don't want this pipe icon. That's perfect. Louis Bond. This is, click on publish. You can go back, widgets, footer widget area 1, add widget. So what I want to do next, I want to add footer widget area 1. So what I want to add, now click on add widget. I can add all these widgets. I can add image, gallery, custom HTML, categories, calendar. You can choose as per your requirements, but according to me, here my requirement is this text. Title I want to give it follow us. Just write contact person name. After that, what you have to do, you have to first you go on keyboard and press shift, at the same time enter. See, you might be confused while you are making your website, so be careful. When after this I want to write down my mobile number, so what I do, when I enter it, it goes 2-3 inches down. So I want to continue with this. So finish the gap. Just first you press shift, then enter at the same time, shift then enter. So it will be in the same error line. Okay. So guys, this is how you can fill up your details about followers. Next we have footer widget area 2. So let me publish it and go back. Footer widget area 2, add a widget. So what I want to add in the footer area widget area 2, this time I want to add gallery, and title I want to say new arrival. I want to save 4 items. That is sufficient, I think. Or else I can add more. Click on add to gallery. Update gallery. This is okay in my opinion. Give title, new arrival. So guys, we have done footer widget area 2. Now we will see footer widget area 3. To publish, I can go back, footer widget area 3, add a widget. This time what I want to show. See, on the front page or every footer page, this company is in leather industry, so they manufacture so many products. They do exports, they are manufacturer, they are exporter, they are retailer and wholesaler, and one of the department they have corporate supplies. That means all banks or other companies and hospitals or school institutions or government companies, they supply bulk quantity like school bags, college bags, card holder, luggage bags. There are so many products, caps, t-shirts and all that. They supply in bulk to corporate sector. So this time I want to add text. So whenever the visitors will see their website, so the buyer will say, hey, this guy is doing amazing because they have so many products and I like these products, it's beautiful. So the title will be promotional item, and in the text body I am going to mention all the products what we can supply to the corporate companies because it's a big market. So guys, these we call promotional items, which they are big in demand in corporate sector. They will give the buyer, they give regularly to the doctors like pharma industries or in schools and colleges, and in every sector almost everybody they provide all these things free to their staff, to their distributor, to their clients on a regular basis. So this is a very big market. So what next? We have done footer widget area 3. Now we will see footer widget area 4. So let me click on publish. I can go back to footer widget area 4, add a widget, what I want to show. Here I want to show something interesting by which the visitors can understand, hey, this guy is amazing, what he is offering is amazing, so they can get in contact with us. Custom HTML. Title. The title is corporate gift items. Now I can add a widget one more, so click on this. Gallery. This time I want to add belt, bags, office bags, insert gallery. Update gallery. I think this is much better. So guys, now we have successfully created our footer widget area. So till now we have done logo, the divider, menu, and the tagline, and in the menu we can see all these pages. You can close this, and this footer and footer bar, Louis Bond. If I go to first for you in this tutorial, you can click the here, and if you like what you see so far, please like this video and feel free to subscribe for more upcoming video about WordPress and starting your own business. And if you want to learn how to design premium website, any kind of a website, you can give comment below and you can discuss with me. I will be giving tutorial on that. Thank you for watching this video. God bless to all. Thanks a lot. to design our home page from scratch, we will go back to our dashboard. We can go from here or we can go from here also. So this is our dashboard. Let me close this. One thing I wanted to tell you which I forgot to tell you. If you have not installed free Astra theme, you please click on appearance, then on theme, then click on add new, then over here type Astra. So this is the Astra theme on which we are working and on which we are going to design. This is totally free, you don't need to pay anything. So just install and activate. Once you install and activate, you can see under theme you will Astra options and all that. Then after that, click on plugin, click on add new, search for free page builder which we call Elementor. Just see the ranking. It's more than 4+ million active installation. This page builder is amazing and it's totally free. You don't need to pay anything, and it is going to be very easy. The most advanced front-end drag and drop page builder. Great high-end and premium websites you can make it from this. Just click on install now. So the Elementor page builder is going to be installed within a short period of time. It may take 1 or 2 minutes, depends on the speed of the internet connection. So it's installed. Now click on activate. So here it is. Now go to setting, click on advanced, make sure this thing should be enable, and yes, save changes. After this, what I want to do, I'll go over there and I can go to my site by right clicking, open a new tab. I can click over there, I can go to home page. Now click on edit with Elementor. So finally guys, we have arrived at the Elementor. So finally guys, we have arrived at Elementor. Now what is Elementor? Elementor is the free page builder which enables you to create beautiful website and also to optimize with all devices like PC, desktop and mobile. So let me show you how it works. So how we can create something with the help of Elementor. What we can do, we can click on this, then we can see the structure. This is one structure, this is 2 column, this is 3 column. Like that, there are some kind of a structure where we can select all these structure. With the help of this structure, we can design our website. Okay, if I click on this structure, we can see this blue line. This blue outline we call one section, and in that one section we have one column that we can see with gray one. So outside the area we call one section, and inside the area we have one column. So Elementor has 3 parts. We work with these sections, then we have these columns. So we work with these sections, then we have these columns, and in that columns we have all these elements. Here at the left hand side we have, you can click on this, and these are the elements like inner section, heading, text editor, images, videos, button, divider. There are so many things that we are going to cover in this tutorial step by step. So you don't need to be worried because it is going to be very simple. It's just job of drag and drop. Right now at this moment we have chosen one section, and in that section we have one column. So what we can do, we can click over here and just click, hold and drag and leave it over here. And here I can close this from over here. Like I can go back to the plus icon, I can select again, and then I can right click and I can duplicate the column. Over here also I can right click, I can duplicate the column. So right now we have one section with blue line, and in that we have 1 column, 2 column and 3 column. Like that we can create 3 to 4 columns in that section. And here we can see this, we can reduce the size of the column, we can increase the size of the column, and I can go there, I can drag this element over here, I can go back and I can drag this element over here, and we can say this edit text editor. I can click over here and I can duplicate. So in one column we can duplicate the text. I can click over here and I can see the settings for this section, settings for this column. So we are going to design with the help of all these elements and the section and the column, and we are going to use all these elements step by steps. So let's get started. mobile and tablet. Click update. Okay, so this is our company and what we do, and people can get contact with us. Now click on this. This time I want to have 3 sections. In that, where I want to show my 3 products to the visitors. So I go over here and I can find all the elements over here. Let me see. I want to go for an icon box, so I click and I can drag it over here, and I want to adjust it right now. Here I can choose icon library, and also I can upload. If you have anything in your computer downloaded from somewhere else, the icon image, you can find it from the Google and you can upload it from here, which suits to according to your product or according to your services. Okay, so I can click on this icon library. It's just for tutorial, so I can click on this. I can click on insert and change it stacked, framed, but I like default. And the title, here I can put the title. So the title is for the product. Over here we can give some description about the product, so that the visitors can read and they can understand what the product is about. But I don't like this. I update it. Let's have a look. It's not just appealing to me. There are so many options. You can choose whichever you like, but I'm just showing you. Okay, then we have spacing. So we have seen all these things. Now we will see content. In the content we have text color. I want it blue or maybe green. You can choose whatever you like. Then we have typography. This is okay. Then we have weight. You can keep it 100. That means it's very slim, and the higher you can have. Okay. Then we have transform. Uppercase with 500. 25. Style normal. Decoration none. Line height none. Letter spacing none. Update. And then I want to show some few images. How can I do that? I can click on this. I want to go for image. I can search over here, image carousel. Here it is. I can drag it. Now I can add some images over here. One thing I wanted to tell all of you, whenever you are going to put images on the website, so at that time you need to crop or you need to edit your image, because all the image aspect ratio should be 16:9 in my opinion, so that will be better, the size for the beautiful for the premium website. So while you are uploading your images, all image size should be in the aspect ratio of 16:9. That will be better for your premium website, because all the images should be in the same size. So here I am going to select the image. Insert gallery. So here it is. The image size I can say medium large / to show 1. Image stretch, yes. Navigation arrows and dots you can choose, but I would say no. The link, media file, lightbox, yes. Caption, none. Then we have additional option, autoplay, yes. Pause on hover, yes. Pause on interaction, yes. Autoplay speed maybe 3000. Infinite loop yes, right fade slide, yes, speed, okay, direction left, you can choose right or left. Click on update. It might be too fast, so I could say 1.5 seconds. Click on update, and now I want to add a button over here. Let me change one image because I think this image is too big, so I can edit it. This I don't need because the size of this image is not the same. If you click on update, I want to add image. Now what I wanted to do, I want to add a button, so I'll click on this, and here it is, the button, so I can drag it below. So we are going to edit button section, so in the type I can say info, and here I can write link, alignment, center. Here we can add icon, but if you want you can add, but I don't want to add right now because not required, not necessary here. Now click on style, typography, size 25, weight 400 or maybe 500, transform, capitalize, style, decoration, line height. Click on update, click on hover, and the text color is white, that's fine. No, white, clean, background color blue, text color let it be white, yeah, that's fine. Hover animation, shrink, okay, border type double, I think none, border radius 25, box shadow. There is so much options, you can choose whichever you like. Position outline, and this is so easy. Click on update. So we finished this edit button. What I can do right now, I hover over here and I can duplicate one more. So these are total 3 columns. These I don't need. I can right click, I can delete it, right click, I can delete this. Okay, so in this way I have created 3 columns. Now I just need to change the icon and the title and the image. I can click on this and I can choose the icon, insert, and the title. Time I want to sell ladies jacket. No, this time I want to sell ladies jacket. I want to change the image. I can delete all these. I can click on this and I can take this picture, this picture, this picture. I can add, create new gallery, insert gallery. Okay, in the same way I can edit this also. Here I want to sell leather bag. This is the description. Now I can change the image gallery. I can delete this and can click on this. So where are the bags? I want to sell this bag, this, and this. Let me tell you very important things. Here, from here you can crop the image. You can make the picture perfect, pixel perfect, like 16 by 9, and you need to change the title. Always put a title in that title, like visitors normally they go on Google and they search for leather bag manufacturer, leather jacket manufacturer, leather jacket, like that. So whenever they type all these keywords, and your photo will be visible and they will get in contact with you. That we call SEO. Right click, paste. So you can generate business and you can optimize your website and people can contact you. Insert gallery. Wow, it's great. These are pure leather. Here you can put Shipnapa leather. What leather is this? Everything. But I do not like, it's looking weird. So how I can fix it? I can click on this. I can select one structure. Now let me close this. I can click on this, select 3 column, drag it, click and hold and drag. This is how easy it is. So now I want to put animation, this time column. So I click over here, go to advanced, I click on motion effect, entrance animation, fade in up, okay, slow animation delay, and I wanted the duration to be 2 seconds. So the same I do it over here, advanced, motion effect, entrance animation, fade in up, slow, update. Then the third one, advanced, motion effect, entrance animation, fade in up, and duration, slow, delay 25. Now click on update. Let me start from here, advanced. Let me see how far I can go. Quite a bit, I think. So I can click over here on the icon box, then I can click on advanced, then click on background, on classic, and I'll make it white. But what I think, this is not looking so nice. So what I'll do, I'll go to advanced, and the margin 10 is everywhere, and padding also 10. I think this area is, so this can be 5. This look much better. Now I can do same over here. So what I can do, so I will do the same over here. I will click unlink at the top, same as previous. So in the same way, on update, let's take a view. That's amazing. It's perfect. This is amazing, perfect. So guys, this is as easy as 1, 2, 3. I like it a lot. This is really amazing, but I don't like one thing. This area and this area, I don't like the gap, because here there is too much gap and here there is less gap. So how we can configure it? Let's do it. So let me close this. I go to the column, then advanced, I uncheck this. So again I will go to the minus. I'm sorry, it was not, because I just want to increase the top margin. Let it be 100, and I think this is fine. No, I don't like it. If you want, you can give the effect like this, but I don't like. And what is this? You can change the effect if you want to. I don't like it at all. There are a lot of other options also. There are a lot of options by which you can give design to your update. Oh, it's amazing, beautiful. I like it a lot. You can flip it can bring to front. I want to make it complete. Fantastic, this is really amazing. I like it a lot. Okay, so what next I want to do? I want to add video over here. How can I do that? So to do that, I can click on this. So what next I want to do? So we will check responsive mode on the mobile. Let's take a look. So what next? So I go for a new area. I want to talk about, I want to have one section touch the section, and I want to change the height to minimum height. I go to style and I want to add a background type, classic. I want to, and I upload files, position where we can focus, center, maybe top center. Then I want to size cover. In the layout I want to minimum height. I go to style, size to maybe cover, center, let it be cover fixed. That's fine. So let's check how does it looks on tablet. This is fine. And on mobile I can say custom, click on update. So for every device you can make picture perfect. I go back to desktop. Here we are. So we have one column. I want to make two column. Now I want to add heading. So let's drag what we do. Okay, then I go to the elements and I want to have one divider over here. Okay, then I go to the settings of the column, then style, background type, classic. I can make it. I go back, search for text editor. I can go to the history, the mistake, column, style, background. I can make it white. I can go to over here. I can click on this and I can copy the text. I can change the style, text color, maybe blue, and okay. What I want to do, I want to have small area over here where the background picture can be seen by our visitor. So I can click on this, then I can go to the I can click on this, then I can click on advanced, and at the right, no, click on this, and here I can say okay. Now click on this, see how it looks on tablet. Now I want to make this little bit transparent, so I will go to the column settings, style, in the background. It is already white background, but I want to make it a little bit transparent, and now you can see through it. Update. Next I can click on this and I want to give one heading, and I can drag heading and I can say testimonials. I can bring it to the center, go to the advanced, and I say margin, typography. Now I want to use, I'll go to there and I can relate to this. We can check this. I can click on this, style, text color, gray, and column, classic, white. That's look nice. I can do more things. I can go to the border radius. I can duplicate this and I can delete it. Now both are joined. So click on this, advanced, margin, and now I want to change this. So I click over here, So Luis is the director. Let me decrease the size of the text. So that's how we do what we can do, the changes. Duplicate one more. For the revision purpose, I can go back from here. I can click on this, click on this, click on this. I can click on this. This is how what we do the revision. What else we can do? I can duplicate this area, click on that, and we can go on these pages. And just now we have created a home page. In that home page we have given beautiful. Do like and subscribe for the next upcoming video. Thanks a lot. Click on this and I can click on men's belt so that I can design this page, men's belt. Now click on edit page. I can say edit with Elementor. As we all know that Elementor is the best page builder in the world. With the help of Elementor we can design any page. It is very easy, simple and all that. I can click on this and I want to select one structure. So here we see the blue line is the structure and inside the gray line is the column. So we work with the structure, and at the left hand side we can find these three dots. If I click over here I can see all elements. These all elements are free in Elementor. With the help of all elements we can create an amazing premium website. So there are so many elements. Okay, so let's get started. To create our product page, click on stretch section, then the content width I want it to be no column gap. Height I can say minimum height 250. I can click on update, then I can click on style, and the background color, select the color from here, say light blue. Can click on background overlay. If I want to put any image the backside of the background, maybe this, I can click on insert. After this I can click on these 9 icon, click on this and hold for the time, and I can drag this over here and the text heading type with title. So my title is leather belt. So at the left hand side we find the type. If I want to give a type the link, and here you can type open a new window, but I don't want to do that. I am fine with this. Size HTML tag h2, I can say h1, alignment center, update can go up, and now I can style so, or maybe then we have typography 45, it's fine. Weight I can say transform uppercase. Style I am fine with spacing, attachment fixed, repeat and no repeat, or maybe repeat X, maybe repeat Y, opacity, so that heading should be clear. Update, okay, I want to add product, not this. I want to show 4 products, so I can search for image, click on this and hold for the time, and I can drag it over here and choose the image. Title, this is for SEO. The people, when visitors they go on Google, they search for, they don't search for these numbers, they search for leather belt, formal leather belt, new leather belt, black leather belt, brown leather belt. Like that you can give the title. So I can say leather belt, and below that I want to give some description about this product. So I can click on this and search for text editor, hold and drag over here what I want to do. So this is my product, and below that there is a description about the product, like what leather is, whatever you know about the product, type the description. Okay, I can go over here and I can say button, just click drag the button. I can see the settings, click over here, I can type per piece, give a link, HTTPS, say contact, the tutorial purpose. So I can copy all this, copy. So like this you can add more description about the product. So friends, here we can see our product and the price, and we have given a link. So anybody want to inquire or even anybody want to buy, they can click on this. They will be redirected to contact page and they can order from there. Click on update. So let's take a look. Now what I want to do, I want to show 3 more product over here. So this is going to be very easy and very simple. It's just drag and drop, right click on the column and duplicate. So the whole area is duplicate, right click, duplicate, and this I can say right delete. This one also I can say right click, delete. So in this way we have created 4 products. Now I can click on this image. You can choose the image size. Even you can give caption. If you want to add caption, you can add caption and caption. You can give media file. I don't want to do that. Now click over here. I can delete this image and I can choose the new image. Click on that. This part is very important because whatever the title you will give, make sure the title should related to your product, so that when people will search, they will be on the first page of the Google. So I will say formal manufacturer, exporter, whatever your product is. Copy, right click, paste, click on update, and let's take a look. So this is how you can add your product, and this is your image, some description about the product, its price, and we have given a link, contact, so people will come there and they will click on this. So next, what I want to do, I can do so many things because there are so many options to design your product. Now I will tell you a trick, and in that trick what you can do, just go there, right click, duplicate column, and you can put other images. You can delete this, choose maybe this one. So this is how easy it is. I don't like because this is down, this is up. So what I can do, duplicate, 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 duplicate. You can select 4 columns, just hold for a time and drag it to the box or to the column, hold and drag it down, delete, click on update, and everything is fine, but I want to give some margin or padding over here because these things very close. So what I can do, I can click on this and I go to advanced, and there I can say 100 top and bottom, or maybe 50, maybe 75. So we have got the space top and at the bottom. Update, there are so many more things which you can do over on this, right? You can click on this, on advanced, motion effect, and you can see, or you can say fade in down. Click on update, and I can click on this advanced, motion effect, I can say fade in left, advanced, motion effect, fade in right, advanced, motion effect, I can say fade in left. For this one, advanced, motion effect, you can say fade in left or fade in right. If you don't like, I can click on this and I can say slow, animation delay, slow, and animation delay 1500, 1.5 seconds. Update. So I want to see the preview, can go there. So there are a lot of things which you can do what I do. Let me tell you one very important thing which we have to do. When our visitors, normally all the customers, they are having mobile and they search everything on Google on their mobile. So I think, according to, in my opinion, 90% or maybe 80% the business comes from the mobile devices. So our website should be mobile response, so that when they open the mobile, everything should be proper. So let's check, have a look. Logo is fine, menu is fine. I can click on the menu, it's fine. Maybe I want to style the typography. I can say the size is okay. This is, I can go to the content, and alignment should be in the center. Now there is no gap. I want to give some gap over here. So what I can do, I can click on the, and go to advanced, padding. Okay, that's not an issue, that's fine. And here I can go to content, center. I did some mistake. So whenever you find you did some mistakes, you can go there. So from here you can maybe click over here, go to content, click on this, go to content, center, go to content, and maybe you want to fix the description. So go to style, update, desktop. Now we will see how our website will look on tablet. So I can click on tablet. If you want to change, you can change, but I think everything is fine. Or maybe this heading, click on this and I can say typography size. So when your visitors will go on website, if they are using tablet, click on update. I can close this, and from here I can see the preview. So guys, this is how easy it is. It's just drag and drop. We have created our product page, men's belt, in a very simple and easy way. If you like this information, what you see so far, please subscribe my channel YouTube. If you want to learn the whole complete Elementor, just go on YouTube, type Louis Bond, and you can find 2 hours, 3 hours video, and you can learn and you can design your website. It's very easy. Thank you very much. God bless all of us. So guys, welcome back to the dashboard. If I go to the site, I can click right and open a new tab. I can click on the menu. So just now we have designed men's belt. Now we will see men's jacket. So click on that and I can go to edit page and I can say edit with Elementor. As we all know, Elementor is the best page builder in the world. With the help of Elementor, we can design anything, any kind of a website we want. So right now we are going to design product page, or you can say services page. I can say click, then I can say one section. So over here on the screen you can see this blue line. This we call one section, and in that section we have one column. So we work with the section, and at the left hand side we can see layout, content width, I can say full or maybe boxed, then column gap, it's not necessary, minimum height I can say. So the minimum height should be 250. I can click on style for the section and I can say color. You can choose the color whichever you want, but right now I want to select light blue. I can choose image, I can upload it, or I can select it from the library. And always you need to put the title so that when your visitors search on the Google, they do not search for any company, but they do search for leather jacket, black leather jacket, brown leather jacket. Like that you can give a title. So over here and also over here, click on insert media, position, I can say center or custom, attachment, I can say fixed, repeat, I can say no repeat, size, I can say cover. You can choose Y position, or you can say repeat X, size or toe, like that. Background overlay, opacity, click on update. Now I want to add a heading for men's jacket. So how I can do that? I can click on this. This is the heading. I will click on this and hold for the time. I can click inside the column and I can delete the text and I can type men's jacket. Here if you want to give any link you can give, but I don't want to do that. And the size, that's fine. HTML tag to H2, and this will be center, left, center. Then I will go to the style. The style we can design the text color, Then we have typography. In the typography we can change the size, maybe 60, weight 700, transform uppercase, size I can say 55. Then style, you can do normal, italic, oblique. Then we have decoration. No, I don't want to do underline. Line height, letter spacing. Click on update. Maybe I can choose some other color. I think this is okay. Let me show you something from the blocks pages or my templates. So here you will find free blocks, templates and so many things. You can click on block. So these are the ready-made blocks. From here you can choose so many things. Let me show you about call to action, clients, contacts, features. Let me check what is there in the feature. Click on insert. Here you can tell something about your strategy planning, production, management, delivery and all that. And here you will find at the left hand side content. So what I want to do with the content, here you can put your link. I can go to the style section. I can change the color blue or maybe this blue. Typography uppercase. If you want to put some more text, just go there, copy. I can justify. I can click on this and here I can say latest. So I'm not going to change all these headings. If you want, you can change as per your business requirement, and you can say something about the design or the management or the whatever you like. You can put, and you can put some text also. Let me change the color. I can go to the style and here I can select blue, and over here I can go to the style and I can say blue. So this is how you can change the content and you can change the text and all that. Click on update. So we will see. Now go back. What I want to do now, I want to show my men's jacket. So how I can do that? I can click on this and I can select 3 column or maybe 2 column, and here I can go here and from there I can select image, choose image. This is men's jacket. Title, you can say black men's jacket. So anybody, the visitors, they don't search for the company. Maybe they sometimes, if they don't know about your company, they may search about black leather jacket, brown leather jacket. So in the same way, you have to be very careful while you are giving title. Right click, copy, click paste. Click on insert media image, or you can say large. Click on update. Below that I want to say some description about the product. So right now it's a jacket. Here I can write the quality of the leather, the zipper quality and the lining quality and the color of the leather, gauge of the leather. So you have to write description about your product so that visitors will come to know that yeah, this is original quality, it's made up of sheep leather or cow leather. Whatever the product description is there, you need to write down. So how you can do that? Just go there, click and click on text editor, hold it, bring it down like that. If you want to write more description, just click here and start writing. Okay, and below that I want to say price of the product. So I can go there and I can select button $100 per piece because it's original quality. If you want to give any link, you can give over here, but I'm not going to do that, and it should be in center. Now our text color are blue, so here I can go to the style, content, style, text color, and to say blue or maybe white. I can click on this, and I do want to describe more. I can right click, copy, and I can say paste. Right now we have 3 columns, but I want to show 4 columns. So how I can do that? I can delete this, the blank one, and even this one, and I can right click, duplicate, right click, duplicate, right click, duplicate. Now four products are looking too weird, so I can delete one. Right click, delete. I just want to show only 3 products because this thing is looking perfect in my opinion. Now I can click on this, and from here I can choose the image. If title is 1, nobody is going to search your leather jacket by 1. So what you can say, this is brown color, so you can say brown leather jacket. So the customer and the visitors, they go on Google and they search black leather jacket, brown leather jacket. They do not search 1, 2, 3. Select, right click, copy, click, right click, paste, insert media. Then you can click on this, delete, choose the image, this one, title, select, right click, copy, click. So what we can see over here, just take a look. This header is fine, this section also is fine, image are perfect, but this is looking very weird. So how we can fix that? There are 3 buttons icons, so I can select 3 columns, and I can click on this, right click, duplicate, drag it, duplicate and drag it over here. Right click, you can delete this, right click, take a look. Now these things are aligned properly, they are in the same row. This picture, let me show you one more thing. This picture size is different, this picture size is different, and this picture size is different. So there are 3 pictures and all the sizes are different. So how we can fix that? I can click on this and I can delete this, then I go to, so let's take a look. Okay, this is fine. Click on update. Let's try something else. I can click on this, I can select 2 columns, and here I can go there and I can choose the image. I can choose the image from here, select maybe this one, select, right click, copy, right click, paste, and I can say insert media. Now click on this, drag text editor, select and type more description, copy, paste, maybe more text, right click. So this is one column. Inside the column we have given image, and this is one column. In that we have given some description about this product. What else I want to show? I can go there. You can add video. To add video, all you have to do and find videos. I can say Louis, right click, copy the link address. So this is how you can add videos. What else I want to add in this column? I can click on this, or maybe I can go there and I can add a button, and here I can say get in contact, get in touch. I can say center, I can style, typography, transform uppercase. That's fine. What else I can show? I want to show something over here. So what I can do, I can click on this, I can drag the button, and this time I can say click on update, and let's take a look. Now see the distance over there, but there is no. So click on this, go to advanced, and here give margin 75 or 50. So top 50 and top 50 and bottom 50. Click on this, go to advanced, and I can say 50, top 50 and bottom 50. Click on update. Now what else I want to do? I can click on this and drag it up, and I can leave over here, and here I can say 75. Click on update. What's the changes you are doing? At the same time, if you finish your design, you need to click on update so that it will save automatically. I can reduce the text. I can say Ctrl Z. I can make it aligned like this. I can click on this. I can go to the style, typography, size. Let me show you something else. This time just click on this 3 column. I can go there, image, choose image, maybe this one or this one, insert. Make sure what's the picture you have, it should be 16 by 9, so all the picture size will be the same. Okay, so let me add and I can add one button, and here this time I can say you can type link contact, alignment center, click on update. I can duplicate, delete, right click, duplicate. So in this way you can add. I can drag it over here, right click, duplicate. I can drag it over here, but I don't like this style. I can delete, I can delete, I can delete, I can delete. I just want to show 2 images. Let's take a look. Okay, I think the image size is too big, so I can click on this. I can delete, or maybe thumbnail, maybe medium. So in this way you can design your product. I want to drag it down. Just click on this and give margin 50. Click on update. So what else I want to show? I can click on this and I can stretch the section, content, full width, and minimum height. I can say reduce. I can add background overlay, blue. I can go there I can click on this minimum height, I can say, or maybe 700. This is fine. So this is how you can design, and for this I can go to layout, style, background overlay, and I can say blue, light blue. I'm not okay with this area, so what I can do, I can click on this style, I can delete this image, men's jacket, and text color maybe blue, text color I can say white. Now let me tell you one very important things. While we are designing our website, always optimize your website with the mobile device, because everybody nowadays they use mobile and they want to buy anything, they go on mobile itself. I mean to say, your picture and text and everything should be mobile friendly, mobile responsive, so that just take a look, click on this and we'll see on mobile. See, it's looking weird, so we have to correct it, we have to configure this. So I can go to the typography and size like this. Now it's looking perfect, and I can click on this, I can go to the typography, the size. So this is our logo, and the menu, I can click on menu, men's jacket like this. Strategy planning, I can say style, typography, I can click on this and can go to the style, text color white, even on this text color white. Then don't forget to click on update. Now it's fine, this is okay. So in this way you can optimize your all devices like tablet, mobile and desktop. Okay, so guys, in this way you can design your product page or service page. So let's click on preview changes. Now it's here, but you can change it. I did some mistake, so I can drag it over here. So let's take a look. Superb, fine. Strategy planning, management, developing latest design. People can come and get in contact with you and they can put that there. So guys, if you like what you see so far, don't forget to go on YouTube and search for Louis Bond, and you'll find me. This is me, where I give tutorial about how to make any kind of website, like e-commerce website, shop website, social networking website, any kind of website, personal, business, and you can learn all WordPress tutorial, and you don't need to pay anything. You can design your website by yourself. Don't forget to click on subscribe button so that you will not miss the next upcoming video. So this was the, thank you very much for watching this video. God bless to all. To the menu, and this time I want to design my product page, that is women's jacket. So I can click on this, I can go there and I can edit the page, and I want to design this page with Elementor. So click on edit with Elementor. So here it is, Elementor. As we all know that Elementor is the best page builder in the world. With the help of Elementor we can customize our website in so many ways. So let's get started. So we are going to create a product page with the help of Elementor. First of all, I want to add an heading, so I can click on this. I can select one column or a structure, and this blue line we can see these three things, and outside is one column and inside is another column. So how we can add heading? First of all, I can click on this, and at the left hand side we can find these three items. I can stretch the section content width. If you want, you can choose full width or boxed, but I am okay with boxed. Column gap, default height, I can say minimum height, column position, middle, this is the column which is in middle. I can go to style and I can select a color, click on color. Then we have background overlay, background type, choose. I want maybe this one. This is very important section where you need to type keywords which are searched by visitors on the Google. They might search for leather jacket, or they may search for ladies leather jacket. So I can say ladies leather jacket. Copy. My picture is not perfect, so what I can do, so this picture is not perfect, I can make it perfect. So I can click on this, I can say center, go to layout, and I can say height 2. I think that's perfect. Click on update, can go to style. So this is perfect. Now I want to put a heading over there, so I can click on this, on heading, hold women's jacket. If you want to give any link, you can type, choose as per your requirement, italic, bold. Okay, this is perfect. Now what else I want to do? This time I want to show my product, that's ladies jacket. I can come down and add two columns, and in that column I can go there, image, over here with this one. See, the title is $86, but this is weird. Nobody will search like this. Normally all visitors, they search on Google something like that. So this is keyword. So when people will search women's jacket, so your product will see on the Google first page. Click over here. I want to give some description about this product, so how I can do that? I can go there. Now I want to show the price of this jacket. I can put the price here. Here you need to give a link, so that when the visitors will see the image, they will see the description about the product, the size. There is one more column, so here click on update. This is fine. Let me show you how you can add more product or services in different. So this is 225, but we have to optimize our product so that SEO search engine optimization will work on our website. So I can ladies pure leather jacket. Again, I want to describe this product so that visitors will contact, it will redirect to contact page, so they can contact immediately. Center, that's fine. The whole design will be duplicate, and I don't want these two, so right click. So in this way we can add. If you want to change the description, you can click on this and start typing over here. Let me change few image. I can click on this, choose image, maybe this one. I can say this image is too short, the image should be 16 by 9. let me show you how you can optimize, how you can make pixel perfect. And delete this, choose image, click on this, and from here I can say edit image. Original size is this one, but we want to crop it, we want to edit it. So how we can do that? I can click on this, and here I can say so always crop your image. In the selection I can say 16 by 9, say full, no. So this image size is different and this image size is different. I can click on this, and I want to delete because the image size is different. So whenever you are uploading an image, the image size, make sure the image size should be aspect ratio of 16 by 9. So let me choose another image, paste, insert, like this. So the image should be 16 by, these two are attached with each other, so I want to give some margin and padding. I can click on this, I can go to advanced. Over here also, like padding, I want to give some padding and margin over here. So how I can do that? I can click on this, and here I think these are not aligned properly, so how I can fix it? 4 column, duplicate, 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 and I can over here and make it aligned properly. There is no gap, so I want to give some gap. So again a style, it's perfect. There is a gap between this and this, so how I can fix it? I can click on this, and I can go to advanced, and I want to, so I can say minus, don't want to, now I want to bring at the about side, to the top side, so I can, and here we can find some ready-made templates or blocks. Go to style, light blue, I can click on this style, no right click, just click on this, and column color white, I can click on this style. So in this way you can add as number as products you want to your product page or service. There are a lot of things which you can customize. Just practice, customize, do again and again. If you like, you can click on update, and even after update also, if you don't like any design, anything, you can delete it from here and you can start designing again by clicking over here. Let me tell you one more thing, we need to always optimize our website with all devices. So this is with desktop, let me see on the mobile, because our business 75 to 80% business visitors, they go on mobile and they search for products. So this is looking weird. Here I can say content, typography, click on this style or background overlay, I can click on this style, typography, now it's perfect. Click on update, click on this, we can see the menu, this is fine. Tablet, that's fine, okay. Go back to the desktop, let's take a look. You can choose color option from here also. Click on update. What else I want to do? I can do so many things, let me show you. Text shadow, I can give blur, horizontal, vertical, see, this is called shadow. Click on update, I can go to advanced, motion effect time, I can say fade in left like this. Animation duration, I can say slow. Animation delay, click on update, click on this and I can go to advanced motion effect, and here I can say true for tablet, mobile and all that, but right now I will show you these things you can apply on mobile device or tablet. Advanced motion effect, go down, there are a lot of options. Bounce in left, fade in down, you can click on this. Advanced motion in right is slow, I can click on this. This time I want to check with zoom in right. Advanced, click on update. For this I can go to advanced motion effect. There are so many options. Sliding up, copy, and here I can say paste style. Click on this, can go to advanced motion effect and I can say it. Click on update. So let's take a preview how we have designed. It's perfect. Maybe I want to change the color, can go to style, that's perfect. Click on update, that's perfect, it's also fine. Okay, so this is how you can easily design your website with the help of Elementor. Design your premium website by yourself, you don't need to pay anything, all elements, everything is free. If you like what you see so far, don't forget to click on subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the next video, which is going to come very soon. God bless to all. Thanks a lot. So this is our website and I can click on this. I want to add a blog page to my WordPress website. So how I can do that? I can hover on this and click on page. As we all know that blog plays a very important role in every website, because with the help of blog every day we are creating a content so that we can generate more traffic on our website. So click on publish. So I want to create first post, so I can go on this. So before creating our post, let me add to the menu. So go to appearance, menu, I can click on this, then add to menu. This one is invalid, so I can remove, and here it is the block. I can save menu. So after that I can go to post, and here I can give it first my post. So the title of the post is very important. Let me tell you, I'll go on Google, just like a visitor. I can search on Google like top 5 leather jacket. So these are the title. So here you can see, you will find the 10 best leather jacket for men leather jacket. So these are the keywords which plays very important role in the blog section. So while you are writing your title, you have to be very careful. Okay, so now you know what is the title over here, and after this, here we see this. I can click on this and start typing. So let me add some. Just for the example, I can copy all these, just dummy text for me for tutorial purpose. Here you need to write down your paragraph. So this is one paragraph, and this we call block paragraph. I can click on this, and if I want to add any image, I can click on the image. Maybe this image I can select. So now we have these things, and the settings for this we can see at the right hand side. We can see the width, height and the title, and if you want to give any link, we can give it over here. But I can publish. let me add new post. So I can click on post, and here I need to type the title. So this time title will be, if you want to add more paragraph, just click enter, and here you will find, so this is one paragraph, this is another paragraph. Enter and start typing something like that. So here we can see we can move up and we can move down. If I go there, I can click on this and I can add more image, and from here we can change the alignment. Click on that image, reduce the size like that, and here I can move up something like this. Click on publish. So in the same way you can add as many as paragraph and images. Let me add a video. So this time I can click on post, and I can say title, right click, paste. Let me add something. I can say paste. You can give link HTTPS, or you can bold it, italic, click on plus, and you can add YouTube. So let me add my YouTube video. If you want to know more about blog, WordPress website, e-commerce website, you can go on YouTube and search. I have a lot of tutorials about how to design WordPress website. I can click on this and copy the link address, go there, right click, paste it and embed. So this is how you can add videos. If you want to add some, and now I want to add some more paragraph. I can click on paragraph, paste, and here we have a drop cap. So the first letter, and we have color settings. You can choose the color. I can, if I want to add other things, I can add gallery, video, image, audio, so many things. I can go down, inline elements, go down, custom blocks and common blocks. We have so many things over there, widgets and all that. Let me add one more image, or else I can reduce the size, and here I can go up, more up, maybe down, up. So this is how we can click on the image. I can drag it and make the style. This is how you can add blog. Click on publish. We can view the post by clicking over view post. So in this way we can add post, and below that people can comment, and these are the recent posts we have added right now. I can click on this. Now I want to design my contact page, so I can click on that go to plugin, add new, and here at the right hand side in the search box I can search for contact form 7 and I can add new, and here I can search contact form 7. Click on. Before clicking you can check, this one is very famous, more than 5 million active installations are there. I can click on install. So the contact form 7 is going to install. Now click on activate. So the contact form 7 is activated. I can click on contact forms and here I can say edit. So this is label, your name and your email, and the subject and the message body, and at last we have send. In the email, click on email, and here you need to type the domain email address and at the same time the same email address, and rest of the thing will be the same. Then click on save. In the message body there are so many options. Thank you for your message, it has been sent, like this. There are so many options out there, but we will not change anything. In the additional setting also we will keep it same. I can click on save, and then I can go to our page, that is contact page, and here I can say edit. Go to contact form, copy this code, copy, go back, update, and now we can view the page. Okay, this is how you can set up your contact page. So your visitors will see all these things and they can send you an inquiry about their requirement, like their name, their email address, subject and message. You can design WordPress website. Now let's check. Right click, open a new link, right click, and here we can see the website we have designed just now. So this is our home page, and then here it is the menu. I can go to about page. Everything is perfect, it is so easy. It's just a drag and drop, and with the help of Elementor and all that we have designed about us page. Now we will see men's belt. Superb. And now we will see next page, that is men's jacket. Alright, amazing, superb, really great. I like it a lot. Now we can see next page, women's jacket, and you can have a look on blog. Blog page is not visible right now, so how we can fix it? I can go on customize. I can say on blog, single post. No, I can go back, global, container. I can close this and I can go to the dashboard, and there in the setting I can go to reading. In the reading, home page is home page and the post page is blog. Click on save changes. Then I can go on my website, refresh, and now I can see this is our blog page. Beautiful. So friends, in this way, if you want to design your own website and you don't want to pay to someone else, you can do it. Below of the description of this video, I have given a link. Click on that link and from there you can get your company register your domain and hosting, and install WordPress, and after that you can start design your website. You don't need to have any prior knowledge, because after watching this video I can assure you, I can give a guarantee that you can create better than this, because it's just a job of drag and drop. If you like what you see so far, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss the next upcoming video. Thanks a lot. God bless to all of us. So guys, this is our dashboard, and if I go over here, visit site, I can do right click, open in a new tab, and I can see my website over here. Now what I want to do, click on this, click on about page. This time I want to create my about page. So how I can create? It is going to be very easy. Just click on edit with Elementor. Elementor is the best page builder in the world. With help of Elementor we can create any kind of website. So right now we are going to create our about page with the help of Elementor page builder. So at the left hand side we have all elements in a section: heading, image, text, video, image box, icon box. There are so many: testimonial, toggle, social icon, alert. Then we can click on this and then we can see all WordPress elements: video, image, categories, recent posts, RSS, so many things. So we will use all these elements to create our home page. Now let me tell you one thing. You can click on this and from here we can select structure. I can click on this column. So you can see this is blue line, and inside we have this gray column. So on the blue line we have these three things. So this is one section, and inside the section we have column. So we work with the section. I can click on this, and at the left hand side we will find these three things over here. I can stretch the section, so this area will be stretched, or if you don't want to stretch, you can click on here. We have option content width, full width, or boxed, or at the column gap we can choose the gap of the column of this. Then we have height. You can select fit to screen, so this will be totally fit, or you can choose minimum height. So this is the minimum height of the section. If you want to make any design in this section, you need to click on this, and after that you can go to the style, and at the style you can select classic, then gradient. You can add video, you can add slideshow. I want to choose a color, you can choose this. If you want to put any image, you can put. For example, I want to show this image. Select the image, and you need to optimize your image. Just you need to type the title. This title you need to type in such a way so that when people search, they can search for leather jacket or leather belt or anything which you like, which relates to your business. That title you need to enter. So I am writing title Louis Bond. If anybody search on the Google, so this page will come. Copy all text, right click, paste, insert media. So we have got this image. Now we can position, center, attachment, fixed. It's repeat, so I'll say no repeat. So like this you can add image, background, or else what you can do, you can go to the background overlay. You can choose gradient, primary color, blue, and I can type or about our company. size medium, tag I can say S2, spine, alignment, center. Now I can go to style section, and in style section I can choose color, blue, typography. From here I can increase the size, that's perfect. I can choose weight, and that is fine. Transform, uppercase or normal. Decoration, you can choose underline, overline, line through. There are so many options, you can choose which you like. I say none. This is line height and this is letter spacing. Let's take a look. If you want to save your time, you go to add templates, and here just type. There are so many ready-made templates designed by experts, so you don't need to design, you just need to insert into your website. These are the pro one, but you don't need to worry, because if you don't want to pay, you can use free templates. Like this one is not pro, this one is free. Just take a look. I can click on this, and this is how I can see about us page. Now what I want to do, I can close this, I can click on this. I'll go to the layout section, and in the layout section I'll say minimum height. Then I can click and I can go to style section, and I say choose the image. I can select the image, I can insert it. Then I go down and I can say background overlay. In the background overlay I can choose the color blue. Okay, don't forget, while you are making any changes, don't forget to click on update. What else I want to make changes in this? So this is the main section. In that section we have all these columns. I can click over here, the blue icon, and we can see, we can configure all these things. Icon library. Say for example, I don't want to say Facebook, but I do want to say show Instagram. So I can click on this and I can type, I can insert Instagram, and here I can type, instead of Facebook I can type Instagram. Change these texts, but I don't want to change right now, and I can give the like that. You can put Instagram link. Say for example, this is your Instagram link, and copy, and you can paste it like this. So when people go in a new window, or you can no follow on update, same way you can all things. I'll go tiles, and in the style section choose the color that you can. This is how easy it is. Program like this way can be explained to you. So now you know how you can, when people will click on about page, about us, something about some description about your company, what we do when you start. I want to change color of this. Go to the style, color is fine, typography little bit 8, 4 and 5 and per tile, normal, decoration, no, structure, column. So go to the layout, advanced, height of the column. So top, I want padding 25, click below, see the settings for this, out steady, story, tile section, typography, say 5th. Can do like this. Click on update and go there. I want to write down more something about our company and myself, so copy all this. This is how you can write the description about your company over here. Click on this. Here you can put a video of your company. So what you have to do, if you have any videos, you can go there, you can put, say for example, just go on to copy link and go back. And here I can all this. So this is the video. This is how you can add video link to your WordPress website. If you want to learn more about WordPress for beginners, then go to YouTube and type Louis Bond. You will find all these things detail. 3-hour video. After watching this 3-hour video, you can become a web designer, and even you can become a pro web designer. So friends, click on update. Now these things are attached. I want to give some margin, so I can click on this. I can go to advanced, and here I can say top, minus, not plus. Okay, not this one, this I have done. I want to edit this, the section height, minimum height, custom. I can click on this we call image carousel, which we have done earlier. I don't want to show all these images. I can delete it all. Click on delete, then click on plus, select the image, create new gallery, style or maybe content, style, color, I say white. I can click on this. So these are our client for whom we work. So what I can say, I can put one heading over here. How I can do that? Client we work for. If you want to give any link, you can give. Center, then I can style the heading, text color, typography. These are our client. So I want to, or maybe I can click on this. I can drag it above this, or maybe. So this is how you can drag it up. And now we have to give margin over here because there is no margin at all. And go to advanced to adjust the gap. So I can click on this. And I can go to advanced. So guys, this is how you can create your about us page. It is very easy. It's just a drag and drop. What we did, we insert a ready-made template, and after that we design it in such a way. It's very beautiful. So let's take a look. So this is our logo, our menu, and this is our about us page. So what we did in this tutorial, in the background we have added an image, then we have given one blue gradient color, and after that there is some description about our company, and then we have social icons like this Instagram, heading and description. Then we have heading or story, something about our client. Then we have added video. Then we have added client we work for. Now we saw how we can put heading and all that. So guys, this is how you can create your about us. Very simple and very easy, and I believe anybody who knows how to drag and drop from the mouse make premium website very. So what we did so far, we have selected a section. In that section we have given a heading, style about this heading, the divider, and here we have column. In that column we have text editor, description about our company. Then we have gone through with the social icon and style, again heading and something about our company and all that. We learned how did we video, again heading. So now you can see how beautiful is this website. Now we will see how this website looks on mobile, because 75% visitors come from mobile. Whatever they want to buy, everybody have mobile, and they go on Google and they search for anything. So 70 to 90% business comes from the mobile. So mobile visitors. So it is very important that your website has to be mobile responsive. So let's take a look. We can click on this. I can go on tablet. You can see this logo is fine and this menu also is fine. I can close this. About us page. Okay, client we work for. I can click on this, or maybe this. Go to the style, and the style I want to reduce the size. So this is looking perfect. I can make pixel perfect for all devices. I can click on update, go to mobile. Our website will look on mobile, because from the mobile the business is going to come. So our content and our image should be perfect. It should look perfect. So this logo and this is mobile friendly, and this I can go to the style and I can see the typography. I want to reduce the size. I go to the style, then typography, and I want to click on update. Now I want to reduce the heading. I can click on this and I can say, now here I want to client we work for. Here I want to say typography, client we work for. Now click on update. Now go to desktop and you can see the preview changes. Okay, everything is fine. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Thank you.